Okay guys, you're going to take a grinder coin and a black Sharpie, and the first thing we're going to do is a strike vanish. So you're going to come down with a pen and the coin gets thrown into your hand and then classic palmed. You're going to switch hands, uncap the pen, and then you're going to mimic dropping the coin out of the lid, but you're just releasing that from palm. You can get it to go back in the lid, exactly the same kind of way as a strike vanish. Goes into classic palm, recap the pen, and you can move on with your routine. Okay, we're going to run through a bit slower. So first off, strike vanish. As you come down with the pen, the coin is going to be thrown from your left hand into your right hand, gripped in classic palm. As you come over, uncap the pen, and then you're just simply going to drop the coin out of your hand. Looks like it comes out the pen lid. You can get it to go back on. Exactly the same as a strike vanish. The coin is going to get thrown into your right hand from your left hand. Up speed as you recap the pen, and you can move on with your routine.